Hey, can you teach me Choosin Texas?
Sure.
It's that 24 count one.
Okay. Let's do the 24 count one. It's to Choosin Texas by Langley. The choreographer for this is Nidhi Risi from Canada, it looks like. And it's only 24 counts, but so it might feel like it gets off phrasing at times. But it starts with a little Rhumba Box. So we go side together, triple forward, side together, triple back. So that's the first bit. So that's right together, triple forward, left, triple back. And then we do a little rock, step, triple turn a half. Rock, step, go back where you were. Okay,
So with counts, the first half of the dance is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Is that right?
That's right.
Okay.
Except that it's the first 2/3 of the dance, because it's only 24 counts.
Right. Thanks. I don't math so good.
Rock, hook.
Oh.
So it's a little back rock and a hook. So that looks
So
like
it's
that's
a back step. Back
yeah, that's
step.
true. It's a back step,
Hook.
hook, triple forward, skate, skate, rock forward, and turn a quarter.
Oh, that's kind of fun.
So you rock forward, but what's weird is that turning a quarter, that's your first step. That's your side step of the Rhumba Box. So you're starting the dance over right there with that side step.
No pauses.
No pauses.
All right, so this last bit is
So it's a
back,
hook, triple forward, skate, skate, rock, turn one, and then you're on you go.
All right, so that last state is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side together, triple forward, side together, triple back. Back, rock, triple a half, back, rock, triple a half, back, hook, triple step, skate, skate, rock and turn.
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
Well, that's how it goes.
So, side together, triple forward, side together, triple back, back, rock, triple a half, back, rock, triple a half, back, hook, triple forward, skate, skate, rock and turn, side together, triple forward,
got off
side
the-
together, triple back, back, rock, triple a half, back, rock, triple a half, back, hook, triple forward, skate, skate, rock and turn, side together, triple. Okay, I know why everybody loves this, because it's fun but flowy, and it kind of helps you keep going the right way.
Yeah, that's right. No tags, no restarts. So at certain points in the dances, it starts, if you're sensitive to phrasing, it sounds a little funny, but if you just keep going, you dance through it.
Just sing it and you won't notice. Let's do it one more time for counts.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, I think I've got it.
Okay.
Moving
That's
on.
it. Choosin Texas.